My video is about removing the new ransomware that is called Gzgzqc. It was discovered during a routine inspection of new malware submissions to the VirusTotal database. Gzgzqc is a ransomware type program. It is specifically developed to encrypt data and then demand ransoms for the decryption. While the analysis was taking place, we also determined that this ransomware belongs to the Snatch ransomware family. After being launched on our test system, this program began encrypting files and appended their file names with the Gzgzqc extension. So before the ransomware attack, it is still possible to open the files, but then at the end of some times, it is not possible to use the data anymore. The ransomware encrypts all these files. It adds its special Gzgzqc extension to all this information, and when you try to open this specific file, you get this message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with this particular extension. The ransomware gives the scary ransomware message called How to Restore Files. It says that people need to pay the special ransom for file restoration. But the point is that paying the ransom is not a good solution. This doesn't guarantee that the files would be recovered. If you pay the ransom, you may simply lose your money for nothing. We recommend you, once again, not to pay the ransom, not to waste your money. Speaking about removing this ransomware, we recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner. If you cannot use your common browser, for instance Google Chrome browser, you might need to use Internet Explorer browser in order to download Combo Cleaner. And you may get it on this official page, combocleaner.com. So download Combo Cleaner antivirus through this official page. There will be a special green download button to download the installer. Run the installer and start the application. First of all, it will update its anti-malware database, and this is of course crucial for proper malware detection and removal. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available in this mode. Click on Start Scan. The program will start updating its anti-malware database. So after the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner has been successfully updated, the program will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. While the scanning is taking place, please pay careful attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks, but this feature is a part of the premium license only. So you need to wait a little bit, at least several minutes, until the scanning is completed. Then at the end of the scan you will see the whole summary of the threats. You will be able to know the locations of these threats. We recommend that you upgrade to Premium to delete all these threats altogether and automatically. This is the best way to keep your data safe, secure and protected, and Combo Cleaner Premium will help you to remove these particular ransomware and other threats from your system.